Hello, this is Ashee from Crafting with Ashee and welcome to this video. This is the card I'm making today. Lovely and bright and floral. So let me show you what I did. I've done some die cutting already to save us some time, and I've cut this piece out in basic white, and this is out of the Scallop Contours die set, and I used this one here, and then I also cut out another piece that we're going to use in Poppy Parade. So we're going to do some stamping, and I'll bring my stamps in and all my ink pads. This is the stamp set we're going to use, Sweetest Strawberry, and it does have a matching punch for the strawberries in it, but I'm just going to use the flowers here and the sentiment that says Happy Birthday You Sweet Thing. So I'm going to stamp initially in Poppy Parade ink, and I'm just going to ink this up nicely. And I'm just going to eyeball this in the centre, down. Yeah, that'll do. Don't know why I'm closing up the ink pad, I need it straight away again. Put that aside, and I'm going to use my Poppy Parade with these little flowers, and I'm going to do 3 of these big flowers. Just like that, and they're meant to have that shaded effect. That's how it's meant to look. So close up that ink pad, bring in this one. This is Cherry Cobbler, so this is just a bit darker. That's just to give some colour variation, and I'm going to use the small one here. Okay. There we go, that'll be enough as good as a feast. Okay, so set that aside for a second, and now I'm going to bring in the base, which is Poppy Parade. So it's a standard A6 base, that's an A4 sheet cut in half and then fold in half. Then I've got a piece here of Whisper White and Basic White, and this is 14.35 by 10 centimeters, and I've embossed this using the Pretty Flowers embossing folder, and this is a new one in the catalogue, and you can use either side, whichever you like, and I'm trying to decide. I think I'm going to use this side, so I'm going to use Tombow to stick this down because there's just so much texture, as you can hear. It's funny that you can hear texture, but you can't you? You can hear all the lumps and bumps, and a natural snail would cut it in this respect, that it will stick it down enough. So we're just going to put this down on our on our card base like this. And I love the contrast between the red and the white. Now this piece here we're going to map to our piece of Poppy Parade. And these should fit together perfectly because they're designed that way. So as long as you can sort of get it in the middle like that, that should be fine. Now you could pop this up, but it's such a big area, you're going to need to use a ton of dimensionals, or you're going to have to use our foam cling adhesive, and I don't have that with me, so it's downstairs in my craft room. So we're just using Tombow. I'm going to put that on top like that, as you can see. And then finishing touches, I've got some rhinestones here, and I'm just going to put these in the centre of these flowers to make the flower centres. So I think these rhinestones just make the whole card, to be honest. They just give that lovely touch of bling. Okay, put the lid on that, and there are our 2 cards. So what do you think? I hope you liked them. If you did, I'd be grateful if you could give it a thumbs up so YouTube know. And if you wouldn't mind subscribing to future videos, I'd be ever so much grateful. So if you wanted more information about the actual project, it's all on the blog post on my website, and the links to that and all my social media links are in the description box below. So thank you again, and until next time, enjoy being creative. Bye.